On WhatsApp, the mute feature blocks notifications from a person. So today we are going to talk about how to know if someone has muted you on WhatsApp. On Android, open WhatsApp and find the chat you want to mute. Tap the three dots in the top right corner to bring up the menu. Click on Mute Notifications. Choose how long you want to mute, 8 hours, 1 week, or always. On iPhone, open WhatsApp and swipe left on your chats, tap More Options and select Mute. Choose how long you want to mute, 8 hours, 1 week, or always. So, how do you know if someone has muted you on WhatsApp? WhatsApp doesn't offer a feature to check if someone has muted you on WhatsApp, but you can tell by these signs. 1. Responding to messages slowly or not at all. 2. Can't see the person's read receipts or typing status. 3. Not being able to view the person's profile picture or status updates. If you're curious how to know exactly if someone has muted you on WhatsApp, you can use a third-party tool. Here I recommend MoniMaster for WhatsApp, which will tell you every activity on WhatsApp in your target phone. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below.